Hi everyone and welcome back. In today's video I'll show you how you can create a video in under 20 minutes. So the challenge for me right now is how to create a video from scratch in under 20 minutes with Vsub. So to get all the script, the thumbnail, the description, the tag, the title, everything in under 20 minutes. And the time start now. So I have Vsub open ready because I have a lifetime deal, so that's good. So I have the ChatGPT on and I have the Leonardo AI. If you don't have Leonardo AI, you can always just sign up for a free account. The free account will give you 150 coin every day. But personally, I don't use Leonardo AI because Leonardo AI, if you are on the free plan, then your image is being shared publicly. I don't want that, but because this is just a demonstration on how I can create a video in under 20 minutes, so it doesn't matter. I'm using Leonardo AI. Other than that, I won't use Leonardo AI unless I have a paid plan. Because a paid plan, then you can keep your image private. So I'm personally using another software which is also a lifetime deal, but that is a paid software, so I'll talk about it in the other video. So for this particular video, three things I need: Vsub, ChatGPT, Leonardo AI for the thumbnail. So let's start with ChatGPT, and because the time start now, so I'm going to ask ChatGPT to give me a 2-minute script for a 3 little pig story. Okay, over here I can of course ask ChatGPT to give me a 5 or 8-minute script. Okay, because this is a little bit complicated. You have the wolf, you have the pig 1, pig 2, all this. No, this is not what I want. Okay, tell me a story, 2-minute story on a 3 little pig. So this will be in a narrative kind of form. That means this is once upon a time there were 3 little pig and so on. And then there's a little bit of somebody is talking all this, but that's fine. Okay, so it start from here. From that day onward, okay. So it end here. Okay, so let me go back to Vsub. And I'll click on this AI video. Okay, one of the reason I say is 2 minutes long because I don't want to waste my Vsub credit because I'm doing it for my other project. So I want to keep the credit. But for this purpose, I will just use some of it. Okay, because it's a 3 little pig story. We can always use cinematic, all this, but I think cinematic dark is good for all those horror story, and this one is good for those general purpose and more realistic because this is a 3 little pig. So I'm going to use a comic star, and I'm going to paste a script, and for the setting I'm going to set it to 16:9 because I really want to do a long form. So for this voice we can choose from here and listen to
I'm not interested in age. People who tell me their age are silly. You're as old as you feel.
Okay, I think I'm fine with this, Alex. So I'm just going to use this, Alex. So while the Vsub is doing its job, let me go back to ChatGPT. So now I have the title. So ChatGPT has given me the title. If you are not happy with this title, just tell ChatGPT to give you more title and then you have choose one of it. And then I need a YouTube description. So they give you a few descriptions, so you can just take any one of it. And then I'm going to ask ChatGPT to give me a YouTube tag. This is all for SEO purpose. So we have all this tag. So if the tag is not enough, just tell ChatGPT to generate more. And next, I'll need a YouTube thumbnail. YouTube thumbnail prompt to generate a image. Okay, so with this, then the ChatGPT tell us to use this prompt. Okay, I just take a quick look. Okay, say including the title, because this is a little bit tricky. In large font letter at the top, because whenever you tell the image generator to include certain text, then you may not get the desired outcome that you want. So one way to get around it is don't ask the image generator to generate the text, rather use Canva. Canva is another free software, but in this case, I will just try it with this image generation using the Leonardo AI to generate. Okay, so let's try. And right now, which model is it under? It is under the Phoenix 1.0. So I'm going to choose 16:9 and medium and then 4. See from here, can I set this to private? No, I can't, because if I want to set it to private, then I need to pay a subscription for it. A monthly subscription is $12. So I didn't like that, because if you can set it to private, that means this particular image that you generated will be public to everyone else, especially if you are doing a YouTube thumbnail. So let's not waste any time. I'm going to switch the model. I want to switch the model to Flux. I pretty much like Flux, so Flux will cost $34, and I'm going to click generate as well. So this part here is by the Phoenix 1.0, and this one is a Flux generation. Okay, it's fine. You see, this one will give you the 3 little pig. This one will give you the, let's take a look. Yeah, it give you the 3 little pig, and then the second one, it didn't say, but for this you can always add in the text using Canvas, and you see the quality is actually very good. And this one give you the 3 little pig, that's fine. And you see this one, the 3 little pig god, it add in this god, I don't know for what purpose, and it's hard to take out this. So of this, I can say we can take this one, or this one, we can add in our own title, and using the Flux, then that's fine. Okay, let's take a look at the Flux generated from it. This one is more of a cartoon base, so I wouldn't like this. This is not so clickable. This is okay. This is okay. I think this one is fine. So out of this 8, if you were to ask me, I will pick this one, or this one. This one I need to go to Canvas to add in the text. So of this, I'll pick 1, 2, 3. Let's go back to Vsub. Okay, Vsub is done. So how long did I take? Okay, it's less than 10 minutes. I have everything done, because I got a YouTube title, I got a YouTube description, and I got a YouTube tag, and now I have the thumbnail. So I have the video done as well, and all this you can actually change it, because to change it, then you can either upload your own image, or you can use a prompt to generate. So this is a prompt that they are using. But which model is the Vsub using, I'm not sure. But let's say you want to generate your own prompt or using your own image, we can always go back to ChatGPT. This is actually the script. Let me get out of ChatGPT again. Okay, maybe I try again. Let's try this. I have a script I need to generate a image prompt for each paragraph. Maybe that will be easier. Okay, so now paragraph 1, paragraph 2. So this will be considered as paragraph 1. Okay, so if you didn't like the image generated by here, you can always use a prompt here. And we can go to Leonardo AI. Okay, remember this is a thumbnail. Okay, I'm on the Flux model. The Flux actually costs more if you are using the Phoenix model, then it will cost less. So ChatGPT is telling you that paragraph 1 you should use this prompt, paragraph 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, 12 prompt. So you can, of this, you can select one for each paragraph. So what if I have to do all this manually without Vsub? Without Vsub, I don't have this. If I were to do it manually, just for the prompt alone, I need to generate 12 times. And I need to generate the voiceover for this. Next, I need to use a CapCut to join the image and to sync the voiceover. How difficult is that going to be? But with Vsub, I get everything done in less than 20 minutes. And this video is just 1 minute 23 seconds. Now let's preview the whole video.
Once upon a time, there were 3 little pigs who each decided to build their own house. The first pig, eager to finish quickly, built his house out of straw. The second pig, thinking it would be a little stronger, built his house out of sticks. The third pig, who wanted to be safe and secure, built his house out of bricks. One day, the big bad wolf came along. He went to the straw house and knocked on the door. Little pig, let me in," he growled. "Not by the hair of my chinny chin," said the first pig. So the wolf huffed and puffed and blew the straw house down. The first pig ran to his brother's stick house. The wolf followed and knocked on the stick house door. Little pigs, let me in," he snarled. "Not by the hair of our chinny chins," said the 2 pigs. So the wolf huffed and puffed and blew the stick house down. The 2 pigs ran to the brick house. The wolf followed them and knocked on the brick house door. Little pigs, let me in," he demanded. "Not by the hair of our chinny chins," said all 3 pigs. The wolf huffed and puffed, but the brick house stood firm. He tried to climb down the chimney, but the pigs were ready. They lit a fire in the fireplace, and the wolf quickly ran away, never to return. From that day on, the 3 little pigs lived happily and safely in their strong brick house.
So that's it. This is what is produced by Vsub. Now can you see how powerful Vsub is? Without Vsub, for me to generate this video using all this prompt, although I have the script, I have the prompt to generate the image, and then I need to go to 11 Lab to get a voiceover, the free voiceover from 11 Lab. And with all this plus CapCut, just for this 1.5 minute video, it is going to take me at least an hour to do it. But with this, I get everything done, including all the thumbnail. So I'm ready to publish this video if I'm doing a children channel. So My video is ready and I'm done. Now next, let me see how much it cost me to generate a 90-second. So right now my credit is 24654 because I have 25,000. So it used 645 for me to generate the about 90-second. If we go to the usage, view history, then we can see. Because I haven't downloaded, if I download the video, then it will be rendering. So it uses 11 lag. So 11 lag costs this amount, and then stable diffusion. Okay, right now I know they are using the stable diffusion to generate the AI image. This is the back end behind the AI image, stable diffusion. Okay. If I were to render the video over here, if I were to render, then you'll be costing more. But I'm not going to render because I'm not going to use this video for, I'm not doing any kids channel, so I'm not going to use this. I do the 3 little pig is just to demonstrate the powerful of Vsub and how we can actually generate a video very quickly. Actually, it doesn't matter if this is a 2 minute or 5 minute or 8 minute. In fact, right now, if you want to do a kids channel, you can do a 8 minute long. Whereas other people have to spend an hour on a 1 minute video, and they have to spend probably 5 hours on a 8 minute video, but you can do everything in under 20 minutes. How great it is. So for me, Vsub is definitely a compulsory tool. And Leonardo AI, I didn't like it, so I actually used some other tools to generate my image, but I'll talk about that in another video. Let's leave the part out. So thank you everyone for watching, and if you like the video, please hit the subscribe button and comment, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you.